Now moving to the fourth one, the very important one. So keyword stuffing. So it is actually related to the content writing. Okay, let me clear this topic. So before learning what is keyword stuffing, I will explain little bit about content writing. Always remember, once you finalize the keywords, okay, how to finalize the keywords and all I will teach you in the next step. But remember, these are the keywords I am planning to use. Digital marketing companies in Delhi. Okay, one. And then best digital marketing agencies in Delhi. So these two I am planning to use. Okay, now what you have to do? So you have to write on the sentence here. For example, let me continue. Kruti Digital Agency is a best digital marketing agencies in Delhi. Okay, so this I will write down. Then after that, with 5 years of experience, okay, so we are providing 100% ROI to our customers. Okay, then after that again we have to continue. Being a digital, or you can write down like this, being top digital marketing companies in Delhi. Okay, so we are providing services like SEO, SEM, etc. Okay, so this is how you need to form the sentences. Okay, see now what I did, using these two keywords I have written this entire content. Okay. Similarly, every website it will be like that only. Okay, whatever the websites you visit, for example, look at this only. See, what is the keyword they have used here? Web development company Bangalore. So the same keyword you can see here. Nexivo Technologies is a professional web designing and web development company Bangalore. Okay, and then which is offers, they have written all these things. Okay, in between, you can see some keywords here. So online marketing, okay, website redesigning techniques. Okay, so this is how you have to write down the content. Okay, what I am trying to say is use the keywords in the content. Okay, so but now you can ask the question, okay sir, you told that use the keywords in the content, but how many times I have to use?
Yes.
Is there any restriction to write down the content? So that we are going to discuss now. So that is, always remember there is a term. The term is keyword density. So according to this, you have to maintain the ratio less than 5%. Okay. So there is a formula for that. The formula is like this: total number of keywords in the content divided by total number of words in the content, okay, into 100. So now for example, just imagine total number of keywords, how many times you have used the keyword. For example, 5 times, okay, divided by total number of words in the content, how many words are there? For example, 200, okay, into 100. So now just calculate how much it will be. 5 divided by 200 into 100. So let me open the calculator. So 5 divided by 200, okay, into 100. Okay, it is 2.5, means 2.5%. So that is the keyword density here. So as I told, it should be less than 5%. Okay, now it is less than 5%, so no problem. Okay, if it is, for example, more than 5%, what will happen? So if it is more than 5%, that is what we call it as a keyword stuffing. Okay, so what do you mean by keyword stuffing? If you are using repeatedly, okay, if you are using the keywords repeatedly again and again. Okay, for example, look at here only, whatever I have written, just observe. Yeah, Kriti Digital Agency is the best digital marketing agency in Delhi. Okay, this is fine. After that, if I continue again, Kriti Digital is a best digital marketing agency. It has a 5 years of experience. Again and again, I am using the same keyword here. Okay, if you do like that repeatedly, if you are using the keyword like that, then that will be considered as a keyword stuffing. Okay, so I hope you got an idea what is keyword stuffing.
Yes.
Okay, done. So now, so these are the 4 things that you have to keep in mind while writing the content. Okay, so according to the Google Penguin algorithm, you have to remember all these things. Okay, we have to maintain keyword density also, that is very important. Okay,